Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 24, I'll show you how to quickly identify shapes in your drawing and export the results. We'll cover both full drawing recognition and identifying shapes within a specific area. First, open your drawing and locate the shape you want to identify. Go to the toolbar, click Shape, and then select Identify Target Shape. Now click or select the shape directly in your drawing. After that, right-click and confirm your selection. A shape recognition dialog box will pop up. Here, enter the shape name based on what you just selected. If you accidentally selected too many shapes or missed some, don't worry, just click Reselect and try again. By default, the search range is set to the entire drawing, so you don't need to adjust anything for now. Next, choose a color to highlight the identified shapes and then click Identify. You'll now see the total number of shapes that were identified. For a clearer view, right-click and select Show Drawing in Gray. This helps the highlighted shapes stand out. Click the top left corner to return to the main view. From here, you can see the exact count and delete any shapes if needed. Now let's look at how to identify shapes within a specific area. Again, click Shape and then Identify Target Shape. Select your shape, enter the shape name, and this time choose Specific Area. To define the area, select the color. It's a good idea to use different color from earlier. You can easily tell them apart. Once selected, click Identify. Now you'll see how many shapes like sprinklers are located within the chosen area. To finish up, click the top left corner to return, then select Export to Excel and save your file. The software will automatically open an Excel file where you can review and verify all the recognition results. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.